Hey guys, I hope you like gym class because today I'm going to show you how to draw electivire. He is one of the Sinnoh region Pokemon and is the evolved form of Electabuzz. As you can see, he was first seen with Gary in one of the series finale of the Pokemon Battle Frontier series. So, if you're watching this, there are a lot of other things that you should know about. There are a lot of other things that you should know about Electivire. That he's also one of Paul's main protagonist partner, and he's actually one of the strongest Pokemon I've ever encountered. So anyways, when drawing him, you must always start with the eye. Never forget to start with the eye. And always draw. Always draw the other side. Okay, so these things start with bulbs. These bulbs down here. So you see Electivire, he has these shaggy like mustache appendages here. So that's his beard. Oh, okay, so Electivire, he has like two tails here, and don't forget to add his toes. doing? Oh my god. I just like it. Okay, so here's his finger. Okay, so just to be sure, okay, there. That's how you draw electivire.